Hiccups, those annoying hic spasms, are a fascinating evolutionary echo. While often triggered by diaphragm irritation, the leading theory suggests they're a leftover reflex from our amphibian ancestors, similar to how tadpoles breathe with gills and lungs. It's like an ancient biological glitch in our system. Fetuses even hiccup in the womb, possibly to train their respiratory muscles. So each hiccup is a quirky reminder of our distant past, a spasm of ancient biology connecting us to our evolutionary origins.